Thanks for tuning in. Today we will do a quick unboxing for not this, but is this. I just arrived for this Mavic 2 Pro with a smart controller. So today we are doing a quick unboxing for this Mavic 2 with a smart controller. So quite heavy, the box. As you can see, it's still not unboxed yet. Okay, so here do have another sticker. And look at this inside. Very nice packaging, very clean, and I will take out and show you one by one. So this is an aircraft. This is a smart controller. And got one box, two boxes. So inside nothing. So first we are seeing this box. What inside we do have. This is a charger. Okay, this is a power cord. A battery charger. Same like a previous version. Here also got a cable for charging the controller. Okay. And no more. And this box inside, propellers, this is a joystick. This charger is specially for this smart controller. This is a fast charge adapter. And a USB Type-C cable. Very solid, this cable. And inside we have a user menu. So user menu we will go through later. So they have a Okay, this is one pair, so totally have 3 pair. And Mavic 2 Pro. So actually it's the same. We are interesting for this new smart controller. Actually, it's very nice. So remove the sticker. So look at this remote control. The function button actually almost like a previous version, and then the sport mode, position mode, and the tripod mode, they move to a center here. The last version is on the side. So they have 2 buttons, return button. This is, I think, should be a menu button. We need to go through the user menu. And this is an antenna. Inside have a joystick. So the joystick a bit longer than previous one, but very comfortable. And when you're holding this remote control, you won't block that screen. Actually, it's very suitable, very comfortable. And then on the top, here we have a HDMI port, micro SD card slot, and USB output. So the dial very smooth. The capture button and record button very sensitive, very smooth. This is a joystick, same like a previous version. And the bottom you have this USB Type-C port. So they have 2 power. We need to charge full before we run for the test. And this antenna actually now pointing down. So it got spring loaded inside. The back also they have 2 customized button. Here is the speaker, and also this built-in microphone. So you can download, install third-party apps, but DJI is not allowed. It's not recommend us to download third-party apps. You have to install your own risk. So if you have any issue after installing the apps, you have to do a factory restore setting. So we try and power on and see. So the vibration very loud. So we need to charge before we power on, so it's not enough battery. Okay, so to comparing the old remote control, actually the size almost the same, a bit bigger if after you connect your phone. But the thing is good, they built in a crystal sky, very brightness. Even under sunlight, you can fly your aircraft with a very safe live view. So this is just a quick unboxing. We will do a test after we fully charge and run the firmware update. Thank you for watching and see you in the next upcoming video.